Now, where you live shouldn't decide if you live, but that's just simply not the case in rural America. There is an absolute care crisis. And I'm not your congresswoman, but I don't hear ours talking about it, so I'm going to. The hospitals on the Eastern Plains are an absolute lifeline. And these are self-organizing pillars of the community. They're so inspiring. I had a chance to visit one, and they do everything with so little. And in fact, they were telling me that they were turning away 911 calls because they need another ambulance. It only cost $350,000, but they didn't have it. Another hospital CEO on the Eastern Plains said that he's worked in hospitals in Ethiopia that are in better shape than his hospital on the Eastern Plains of Colorado. And, we're talking about things like a shortage of handicap accessible bathrooms, showers that work. That's to say nothing of the worker shortage. And he said, but what really keeps him up at night is that 20% of rural counties don't even have nursing homes. And this is despite the fact that they have aging and sicker populations than the overall demographics. And then get this, because he operates both a nursing home and hospital, he's actually penalized. He gets reimbursed less than if he were just running a hospital, which is ridiculous. You add to that the way Medicare is structured, and these rural hospitals are usually not reimbursed at 100% rate of care, meaning they are running on constant deficits. And you have some options in government right now, like some USDA loans, but my understanding is that they are incredibly bureaucratic. There's a lot of red tape, and they kind of end up as a hurdle to investments. They're already in really bad shape. You add to that slashing Medicaid, children's health care, that's going to decimate our hospitals. And yet Lauren Boebert voted for exactly that. It is a long time to stop admiring the problem, and let's talk about actual solutions. We need a Hospital Revitalization Act. We have so much potential on the Eastern Plains, too, to make it a pharmaceutical and medical device manufacturing hub for the entire United States of America. Make it here. About rural letter carriers, and Lauren Boebert started posting about it. Let's see if we can get her to do the same with rural health care. Thank you.